Is he going to use a table saw blindfolded? Yeah, that's coming up real soon.
Are we live?
Yeah, can I go now?
Why not?
Stop it! Oh, jeez. All right. Oh!
That's wrong for not trusting cat.
Oh, no. Oh, you moved it. Oh, never mind. Oh, you're putting glue on me. You're putting glue on me. Oh! What is that? You paid $20 for that.
That's a spring clamp, I think.
What are you putting on me right now? It's getting out of control. This, right, all the way around. Because I think if I do that,
Moyak would like you to add some epoxy to this bit in some way.
Where's my drill? Dang it. Where's my drill? Uh-oh. What just happened? What are you about to do? What are you about to do? What are you about to do? No! Where are you? Stop it. Stop it. I can hear you. You have silly string? What is that?
Oh, what? I just looked up to see what's going on.
I put the legs in.
Are you?
Yeah. 7 days. That's what it's supposed to look like.
Right. That's
This what leg's a little wobbly. What's this?
that is a part of the project.
Oh no.
That piece on its own actually looks pretty good.
Oh no. I think I'm done.
Right. 2, 1.
Oh no. Oh goodness, wait. My eyes are so bright.
Look, I really like this feature.
Hold on. My eyes are really struggling here. Give me a second. End it.
Like a think my God.
Alright, sit down. Come on. There you go.
Okay. Can they see me?
They can see you.
Oh my, there's so many. This is some sort of frame here.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, bread now my fingers. I hate this. Oh, I didn't like it.
You're fine. You're fine.
Okay, so this is gonna make my picture frame stand upright.
Okay.
Is this towards the camera?
Nope. There you go. Down a little bit. There you go.
All right, the picture frame.
Picture frame. Yep. That's
For a
what
big
it is.
picture.
Yeah, that's what it is. You got it. I'll hit you. John flinches a lot. Do we need to call someone?
Yeah, because
Is this an abusive relationship? Comment down below. I'm giving you the pieces on. There you go.
All right.
It's dangerous, but you can shoot at that stuff. Can I do it?
Let's
If somebody donates, I'll shoot him.
friggin' stay on that side of the bench, buddy.
I'm staying.
Oh, okay. You shot my leg with a brad nail. That is insane.
Oh, it doesn't hurt. You know it doesn't
That
hurt.
is insane. I'm blindfolded.
Can I make a public apology for shooting
You in the leg
It
while I'm
didn't hurt.
blindfolded? I felt it, though.
Yeah, you feel it.
That's enough. I'm so confident I can brad nail this.
I feel like as a good friend, I shouldn't let you.
OSHA, don't come for us. Here we go.
Oh gosh. At least make it so the camera can see.
Is this stupid?
Yeah, it's very stupid. I don't
Going
like
for
this
it.
at all.
Okay. Does it look cool at least? I think this is going to be one hell of a picture frame.
Are you eating an orange?
Yeah.
Where'd you get an
I
orange?
needed a rig.
Oh, that fell.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I'm having some of your orange. I'm hungry.
But here are the brad nailers. Yeah.
All right, the orange peel has been brad nailed too. the
Okay.
piece.
I actually like that as an accent.
Yeah. Oh, you just ran that through wood glue, dude. You ran it through the wood glue on the table, and now you're eating it.
Is it type on 2?
It is type on 2.
I'm all good.
I lit it up.
Oh my God, you weren't kidding. It is
bright,
so
dude.
bright.
I know.
You could put a picture in this
You
for
should
sure.
put a picture in it.
Did I get this frame right? Like,
Did you get the frame right with the long pieces?
Yeah.
No.
All right. Back in the dark.
I deserve that.
Thinking here. Okay. Do you have a brad nailer? Oh, okay.
Oh, I was like, why are you taking your clothes off? Howard, you wore that shirt yesterday.
Yeah, for sure.
What is it?
Don't worry about it. Ow. Is there anything you can do about that?
What?
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice. Yeah, that's real nice.
Now, I don't remember exactly how these are built.
I got you.
Yeah.
There you go. That was sketchy.
Yeah, I hated that.
Yeah. Something you dropped.
There's got to be another.
It's not on the floor. I'm not gonna let.
Show me your hands now. Give me your hands. This is not helping.
This
is not helping with the allegations. Give me the hatchet. I don't know what I'm asking you to do right now, but
you're just kind of pointing it towards me and being like, "Help!" Oh, nice.
I'm done.
You're done.
This is a leaf. You know how dining tables
Yeah, it
have
has a leaf.
You know, so you take this if you need more room. If you gave someone this and you said, "What do you think this was meant to be?" They would probably say a bench.
A mistake.
A bench.
A mistake.
See if it's live and we can call it in real quick. We're calling him. It's both of us this time, as promised, and we are live as well. We figured we'd give you a call, one live to another. We got to get ourselves a button like you got.
Thank you to all 15 of you that stuck around the whole time.
Yeah,
That was
appreciate
good. We had
that.
fun.
All right. Have a good
Thanks,
night, guys. Be
We'll see ya.
safe.